Chapter 2, checkpoint quiz number 2. Problems 1, 2, and 3 were simplifying, reducing the lowest terms. 18 over 36. 18 and 36 have a greatest common factor that is 9. Actually, the greatest common factor is even higher than that. It's 18, because 18 goes into both. So if I divide the top and the bottom by 18, I get 1/2 as my fraction in simplest form. Example number 2, or problem number 2, is 42 divided by 60. I know that 6 is a factor of both, so I'll start dividing by 6 and see what happens. 42 divided by 6 is 7. 60 divided by 6 is 10. That must be the greatest common factor because 7/10 is in lowest terms. Example number 3, 35 and 56, I believe are also divisible by 7. 35 divided by 7 is 5. 56 divided by 7 is 8. And there's our fraction in simplest form. Simplest form, no common factors between the numerator and the denominator. Our second set of problems, 4, 5, and 6, are asking you to compare the two numbers using the less than, equal to, or greater than symbol. I'm going to choose to do each one of these the crisscross method, which is cross-multiplying and putting our answer down below where I started. In this case, I have 1 times 100, which is 100, and I have 2 times 8, which is 16. Since the 100 is much larger than the 16, the answer then is 1/8 is greater than 2 over 100. Wherever the larger number lands under, that fraction is larger. Number 2, same way, or in this case, number 5, I'm sorry. 5 times 9, 45. 7 times 12, 84. There's the bigger number. So 5/12 is less than 7/9. Our third one, product of the means or cross multiply, 12 times 5 is 60. 3 times 20 is 60. The two numbers are the same, which means that 12 over 20 is equal to 3/5. Our third section of problems is either taking an improper fraction, which isn't really improper, and making it into a mixed number, or taking a mixed number, bad, and turning it into an improper fraction. It's bad because in algebra, mixed numbers don't play very well, and we like improper fractions in algebra. Our first one is an improper fraction. To change this to a mixed number, we need to divide 6 into 29. 6 goes into 29 how many times? Well, 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. So we'll start out by writing 4. 6 times 4 is 24, and that leaves us 5 short of 29. So 4 and 5, 6 would be our answer. You very easily can set this up also doing this. 6 goes into 29 4 times, with 5 left over. And the remainder is written as a fraction over our divisor here. Our second one is a mixed number, which is bad, because mathematically in algebra we don't deal with mixed numbers. We change them to improper fractions. To change this mixed number to an improper fraction, I'll multiply 9 times 4, which is 36, and then add 1 to it, 37. And so we would get 37 over 9. The denominator stays the same. 82/5. I have to divide 5 into 82. I believe 5 goes into 80. Oh, let's see. 5 times 1, 16 times. And 5 times 16 is 80 with a remainder of 2. So 16 and 2/5. Again, if you're not sure what to do, 5 goes into 8 one time. 5 goes into 32 6 times. I'm at the end. No more numbers to bring down. That's my remainder, 16 and 2/5. Problem number 10 is asking us to compare 3 fractions, or to look at each fraction and write each one as a decimal. Remember, to change a fraction to a decimal, we just divide the bottom into the top, or top divided by bottom. Probably an easier way to think about it. So to find 1/89th as a decimal, we're going to take 1 divided by 89. We'll punch that on the calculator. I need a volunteer for an answer there. Carly? 0.011. We'll round it off there. It does go on farther than that. That's correct. The second one, 4 divided by 1,000, I believe gives us a nice answer of 0.004. Is that right? We should verify that, but I'm pretty sure. 4 divided by 1,000. And our last fraction is 1 divided by 6,900. Can I get a volunteer for that one? Go ahead, Ashley. 1.44. And then, Ashley, if you look to the right side of your calculator, it probably has the little times 10 to that, does it not? And what is our exponent there? -3. Do you see a -3 on your calculator? All right, -3. Okay, now what does that mean right there? That is a scientific notation number. And we'll get to this a little bit later on, but if your calculator showed that, it would say take the number, move the decimal point 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. So you'll notice I had to add zeros in order to move that decimal point 3 places to the left. I believe we're going to get an answer of 0.00144 here. Is that correct? Yes or no? Is there another 0? All right, so this must be then -4. I'm guessing there's a -4 there. Try it again. Let's divide 1 by 6,900. Some of you will get a decimal answer. Your calculator will actually kick out 3 zeros, 144. Is that right? Yeah. Okay. The scientific notation answer should be that one.